Hi, my name is Masood. I'm from now open for new channel in Pakistan, but I now is running my new channel in Malaysia. So I want to explore for you all guys for some time for food, some time for tourist place, and some time for hot place for tourists, and some place sometimes shopping or some like groceries. So if there's anything you ask, you can just message me, so I can try to as soon as possible to that topic to make a video and to guys you to let you know how to stay in Malaysia in easily, and for how to can buy there. Everything is cheap and reasonable price and good quality. 7-Eleven मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ 7-Eleven किस तरह है। तो ये कि आपको इजीली हमने आ जाए इसका monogram logo ये कुछ देखो 7-Eleven. Morning, today I coming KL Central, Kuala Lumpur KL Central. So I show you everything for with me. KL Central. It's all the room for all have shop here. Everything have there. Also for KL departure card you can get here. All LRT, MRT, monorail, everything you can get here. And you just direct to walk away straight, so you can get for mall, very big mall in UN Central and Kuala Lumpur, so you can get all train stations. Now I am going for a train to take LRT, so I just walk for Kuala Lumpur's main central station for trains. You can go here everywhere for in airport, and if you want to go anywhere in Malaysia inside Kuala Lumpur by train, you can go everywhere, any place, everywhere you can get MRT, LRT, monorail, KTM, all the taxis, everything you can get. Yeah, even you can see here the board. I can zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. You can see they all have there, everything have, and I am going to here have for KTM also, but I am going for to get LRT to go my way. So I just make for video, short video, so you can guys see and easily. And I'm here also. So now I'm going for LRT station. ट्रेन आ गई है, ट्रेन का वेट कर रहे हैं स्टेशन पे. ट्रेन आ गई है, MRT ट्रेन का LRT ट्रेन का तो प्लेटफॉर्म हम वेटिंग कर रहे हैं ट्रेन का. मेरी ट्रेन अभी आई नहीं है, मैं ट्रेन का वेट कर रहा हूँ. ये सारा स्टेशन है LRT का हमारा, और ये भी ट्रेन आके यहाँ पर रुक गई है. सारा स्टेशन है पूरा तो रेलवे ट्रैक के सामने का अभी धूप बहुत है तो अच्छा नज़र नहीं आ रहा, पर देखिए वहाँ पर धूप काफ़ी कम होती है तो बहुत अच्छा नज़र आता है, बहुत अच्छा व्यू आता है. इस साथ में तो ट्रेन कर हमारी ट्रेन इस करने